I should say good evening, everyone. This is Corey here with Zero Meter Chasers here in the Weather Center. It is 7:34 Eastern, 6:34 Central. I want to give you guys a quick update of some strong to severe storms we have here in Central Kentucky right now. We are zoomed in here. You see this yellow box. This is a severe thunderstorm warning that the National Weather Service in Louisville issued probably about 15 minutes ago. And this is going to be in effect for southeastern Logan County, Simpson County, northwestern Allen, and southern Warren County. This goes until 7:15 Central Time, so about another 25 minutes. Or sorry, and this goes until 7 o'clock Central Time. 7 o'clock Central Time. 60-mile-an-hour wind gust is the main threat with this storm. A couple of locations impacted include Bowling Green, Crestmore, Mount Victor, Franklin, Auburn, Adairville, Woodburn, Three Forks. That's a couple of the communities located there. So we'll zoom in here just a little bit. Again, the strongest part of this storm is going to be right here, basically from Bowling Green all the way down to Providence, just to the west of Franklin. This is where your damaging winds is going to happen here with this particular storm. Get that off here. But also just outside of the severe thunderstorm warning, we'll zoom out just a little bit here. We're actually going to switch to the National Weather Service in Louisville. And you kind of see two lines. We'll do a zoom out here. You kind of see two lines of storm activity. You got this first line here that's kind of out ahead of it, and then a secondary line just behind it that's going to be moving through all of central Kentucky here over the next 1 to 2 hours. So nothing expected behind these lines. Once these lines push through the central Kentucky area, any type of strong severe threat is going to be over. Those temperatures are going to drop as that cold front pushes through central Kentucky. So these are the two areas that we are monitoring. You guys see this big blue box that the National Weather Service has issued here. Pretty much for all of central Kentucky, from Bowling Green all the way up to into Indiana. This is a special weather statement, and basically what the National Weather Service does with these special weather statements is they'll highlight during thunderstorm events, they'll highlight areas of storm activity that's just below severe limits, or storms that's going to impact part of central Kentucky, or storms that's going to be impactful, I should say. So the National Weather Service is saying with this line here, the area that I have highlighted in black here, basically that's just me writing over the special weather statement. That way you guys can see it just a little bit better. But the National Weather Service is stating that winds up to 40 miles an hour is possible with this line that's pushing through central Kentucky. So with those types of winds, gusty winds, they could knock down some tree limbs, blow around unsecured objects. If you have holiday decorations outside, make sure those are secured before this line pushes through, because they will produce just a little bit of a punch as they progress through the central Kentucky area. Right now we'll zoom in just a little bit. Let me make sure I'm out of Louisville. I am. So here in the green Taylor County area, we'll put a motion on this radar here. Again, this is the first line pushing through. You see the second line just behind it. This is going to be moving through the green Taylor County area here within the next, say, 30 to 45 minutes or so. It's right there just to the west of Greene County on the Greene Hart County line. This first line's already pushed through Horse Cave, Mumfordville, Cave City, Park City area. We'll go down just to the south just a little bit. First line, again, moving out of Warren County into Barron County. Just has moved into the Allen County, Scottsville area. We'll switch to the Nashville radar site. That way, these storms look a little bit more dangerous, I guess I should say a little bit more impactful once you look at it from a closer radar perspective. But this first line, and honestly, this line's kind of congealing just a little bit. The second line's speeding up and kind of catching up with the first line. You guys can see that on radar, how fast that second line's really pushing in. So this is kind of where we're getting those enhanced winds as these two lines kind of meet up. That's Franklin, the Franklin area right now, all the way up to Bowling Green. That's where this severe thunderstorm warning continues here for the next 20 minutes. But again, just outside of that, the Allen County, Scottsville area, even down into Tennessee, basically just to the east of Nashville, up to just to the west of Gallatin, all the way up to Portland, Tennessee. These are some strong thunderstorms producing probably winds close to 40 miles an hour, even though the National Weather Service in Nashville does not have a special weather statement on this. You can definitely expect winds up to 40 miles an hour from Nashville up to Portland. Lots of lightning occurring with this line down in Tennessee as well. And then as we get back up into Kentucky, again, strongest part of this line does appear to be in the Allen County, Scottsville area. So that's going to be an unwarned storm. Not even a special weather statement with that as well. But again, it's probably the same thing. Winds up to 40 miles an hour with these storms. I would probably extend that special weather statement there. And they might be waiting to see if they extend this severe thunderstorm warning. But probably winds up to 40 miles an hour expected with this line there as well, with that severe thunderstorm warning just to the west. And then as we progressed up to the north here, and you guys see the blues, these blue boxes that the National Weather Service has highlighted. So again, this is a special weather statement that the National Weather Service in Louisville has highlighted. So basically, anybody inside this black box, again, these storms on the northern part of this line doesn't look as intense as the storms towards the south. And that's probably to be expected. Not a lot of instability up here in the northern half of central Kentucky, but nonetheless, these any storm inside this black box here, you could expect to see winds up to 40 miles an hour, brief heavy rainfall, maybe a little bit of hail, but not a big deal. Don't really see a lot of lightning with these lines either, but definitely could see some lightning with that as well. So, yeah, not expected to see a big severe weather outbreak or anything like that. We're just under a level 1 out of 5 risk, which is a marginal risk from the Storm Prediction Center. Not a big deal at all. But just wanted to hop in here and give you guys a quick update on what the weather situation is looking like right now and what we're expected to see for the remainder of the evening. So one more time, we do have this severe thunderstorm warning still in effect here. We'll zoom in on it here real quickly. This is for Bowling Green. Again, the strongest part of this line just moved through Franklin. It's moving through Plano now all the way up to Plum Springs. So there's going to be the southern part of Bowling Green. This is moving to the east. So let me see if there's an update from the National Weather Service here real quick. Yes, severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for Simpson, northwestern Allen, and southern Barron counties. And that is for another 17 minutes. And then, like I said, right outside this warning, just to the east, Allen County, Scottsville, all the way up to Glasgow on the western side of Barron County. Pretty good, strong thunderstorm activity ongoing in this area as well, even though there's nothing, no special weather statement from the National Weather Service. You can definitely expect to see those winds up to 40 miles an hour. And then again, as we get down here into Tennessee as well, strong thunderstorms ongoing from Portland all the way down to the Franklin area. So right here, this line here, again, same situation. Winds up to 40 miles an hour expected with this line down here in Tennessee as well. So that's all I have for you guys right now. I'll be watching the radar closely. If there's anything else that needs to be addressed as we progress into this evening, I'll obviously go live again, jump in and give you guys that information, but not expected to see any outbreak of severe thunderstorms or anything like that. We could see an additional severe thunderstorm warning, especially down here in southern Kentucky, just south of Glasgow. We'll be watching that area very closely here over the next 30-45 minutes. This area in particular is the only area that I'm concerned about for an additional warning. So we'll keep an eye on that. If we have another warning down there, we'll obviously give you guys that information. Outside of that, the rest of central Kentucky, not expect to see any warnings. However, this strong thunderstorm activity will continue here over the next 1 to 2 hours. Once this line progresses through central Kentucky, the severe weather threat is over for tonight. So I'll be watching closely and give you guys updates as needed. You guys enjoy